Whether you're moving an office or a data center, moving critical technology environments requires extensive expertise, planning, and collaboration. In technology-driven businesses where a service interruption could have serious consequences for you and your customers, equipment must be relocated seamlessly and flawlessly with no downtime. Our certified engineers specialize in moving and installing office, data center, and AV technologies and equipment. We're here to move you into the future. We've been performing perfect technology moves for over a decade, but our technology division goes beyond relocations. We're a full-service technology partner. We're ready to design the solution you need. Selecting the best IT vendors for your business depend on your location, needs, and staff size. We'll help you choose the best solutions from the available offerings in your service area.